At Tega Cay Elementary, it's a time for celebration. A celebration of pure imagination. But you won't need a golden ticket to enjoy all the festivities.
We've been reading Ronald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and last night we finished reading the book, and tonight is our One School, One Book STEAM night. So we have parents bringing in their children and coming to do some STEAM activities around the book.
So you're gonna have a path. You're gonna start in the gym, okay?
There are 6 Charlie and the Chocolate Factory STEAM activities located throughout the school.
All right, y'all are gonna start in the music room, okay?
Whether it's dancing like an Oompa Loompa, building your own golden ticket,
Maybe this is too tight in the middle.
or creating these golden egg catapults, the Tega Cay school community celebrates the joy of reading.
So One School, One Book originated basically to get community members involved with reading with their children. Going with Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a popular one for some of our parents as well, just really to encourage that reading of families together with their children, to encourage that literacy.
Just by reading, like, you can learn so much. Like, if you don't know something's happening, if you read something, you might figure out a bunch of stuff that you don't know is happening. This is all based off of a book. So the kids, if there's a kid that's younger and hasn't gone to this school, they'll be like, oh, maybe reading really is fun, because they'll see like all the things that might have happened in the book.
And while it's best to keep clean getting through this Wonka Factory obstacle course,
Keep stirring.
you're gonna have to get your hands dirty for this chocolate sweetness.
It does, it barely sticks.
One of the stations for the STEAM night tonight is chocolate slime.
Boy, that looks like a big old marshmallow.
So we're gonna make basically slime and then just pour a hot cocoa packet into it.
Well, a little glue, water, starch, hot chocolate mix. Hey, Gran, are any of these students going to be eating this slime?
Well, I'm pretty sure they're more mature, so I sure hope not.
But for those wondering what are the struggles after you make the slime,
Well, for parents, it's obviously keeping it clean.
You can touch it, Lele.
But for kids, I don't think there really is a challenge. I think they just like get all messy and just have fun with it.
Thank you, Willy Wonka. Bye, guys.
but if the Candyman visits,
Hey guys, what's up?
Mr. Wonka.
what are you going to tell them? Which is your favorite sweet?
My favorite candy though is not chocolate. Nope, sorry. My favorite candy, most likely, usually on most days, Sour Patch Kids. But a close second is a York Peppermint Patty. I love York Peppermint Patties.
Hershey's. Reese's peanut butter cups.
But through events like this One School, One Book STEAM night, Tega Cay Elementary shared that their excitement of literacy is supported throughout the community.
If you're not having fun together, then we're not doing something right. School is supposed to be a place where we have fun, and it's an exciting environment, and I'm just excited for the parents to see just a small portion of that tonight and our excitement surrounding this night.
Bye. Have a good day.
Yeah.